How's it going, guys? Cole with MarineMax Naples. Today we're going to be checking out the 2025 Aviara 32. Most people don't know this, but Aviara is made by Mastercraft out in Tennessee. So as you notice, I'm sitting on a stadium style seating. The seats to my left and right do go up. This gives a little different perspective when you're just kind of hanging out, and it gives you a lot more seating when you have this backrest up in front of you. You can have kind of two layers of people, and then it just pops right back down. And the stadium seats are on a gas assist, so you just pump them down like that. As you notice on the back walkway, we have plenty of kind of walking area when going on and off the boat or getting out from the water. So as we walk forward here, you'll notice plenty of in-deck storage. You can store your pool floats, life jackets, go bags, whatever you need. Keeps the deck clutter-free. As we move forward in the cockpit here, you'll notice a large hardtop with plenty of shade. Plenty of seating, and this nice fabric does actually not get hot in the Florida sun. Over by our summer kitchen, you'll see this can be optioned with the grill or a sink well. We do have a bigger sink here as well. Underneath here we have plenty of storage, which can be optioned out with the fridge if you choose that option. Another great addition is Aviara actually added a trash can on the side here. Keeps the deck clutter free and you don't have to have a trash bag on the deck. Plenty of countertop space, whether you want to hang out, put your food over there. And then we do actually have a cooler spot on the bottom as well. Again, just to keep that deck clutter free and everyone moving around freely. As we get to our helm area here, you'll notice a couple cool features. We do have 3 screens. We have our Aviara control screen, which as you see we set up. We do have our sure shade. This makes it nice when you're either at anchor or just slowly cruising. You can put the shade out on those hot days and everyone's kind of protected whether you want to lay out there or just sit on that stadium style seating. As you'll notice too, we do have a large engine compartment, which can be used as storage because they have all the main batteries and wiring tucked away. You can have your pool floats, your pool noodles, water skis, whatever you want to do to kind of keep it off the deck. As we come back to the helm, you'll notice our Simrad screen, which gives you your depth, waypoint routing, everything you need to be successful on the water. Over here on the right is our Mercury screen, which tells you everything about our Mercury 300s. We have our joystick and our Mercury throttles, as well as our automatic Lenco trim tabs. One unique feature Aviara does is the cooled cup holders. So right on a switch, you can actually have all the cup holders in the boat be chilled. So it just makes it nice on those hot Florida days. Or summer days, I should say. Just to the left of the helm here, you'll notice our large head. 2 steps down and plenty of headroom with some storage shelves on the right. As we head to the bow, you'll notice the high gunnels. This makes for a smooth and dry ride, as well as keeping everyone in the boat protected. We do have the foldable window with walk-through door if the wind gets a little bit too much for you guys. As we come forward, plenty of seating. Again, with the cup holders and all the LED lighting throughout the boat. It is all RGB, so you can change the colors, do the front a different color as the back. It's very versatile. As we notice up here in the anchor locker, you'll notice we have the windlass, but also a wash down. So as you're bringing the anchor up, you can actually rinse the windlass off as it's coming up. This has been a quick run through of our 2025 Aviara 32 by Mastercraft. Come check us out. Again, my name is Cole at MarineMax Naples. Thanks for watching.